incapable right now of solving even one problem.
It's got less to do with the fact that we're not capable of solving these problems, and it has a lot more to do with the fact that people don't want to come together to solve problems. It's not that we're not capable, it's that we're unwilling to do what's necessary to solve these problems. The media itself is a huge roadblock because it's completely owned and operated by the opposition and by the corrupt institutions and the corrupt individuals who own them. So it's corrupted the mind, for one thing. The whole society has been atomized and brought into this divisive and problematic situation where 90% of the population doesn't see the problem, for one thing, for what it is, and is in a disagreement about how to solve that problem to such a degree and to such a polarized degree that there is no willingness to come together in order to solve these problems. And that is the biggest problem of all. That essentially what we have in our society is a huge tree with only branches and no trunk. There's no unifying principle that brings everybody together and allows for us to actually have problem solving powers. The only way that we solve problems as a society, as a species, really, is through unity. And that's been completely and utterly crippled in this country and really abroad as well, but particularly in America. And we can't solve these problems like homelessness and poverty, hunger, the jobs issue, the problem of what we're going to do about like working people when the economy turns into a robotic, automated system. We have no solution for that. If anything, the banks are just going to take over. And at that point, it's game over. It's fucking game over for the United States. And we're facing a very rapid turnover, a change, a dramatic change. And there's just a complete ignorance. And that's really the biggest part of it, is that there's just such ignorance. If you want to rule a people silently, keep them entertained. And that's what's happened. Entertainment has replaced any culture that we ever had. And to a large degree, we're fucked. I mean, it's sorry to say it, but I've been talking about this for over 10 years. So as far as I'm concerned, I've done what I've tried. I've tried to do whatever I can. Love and appreciation, wear oneself. Peace.